you could make thousands of dollars online a month just by uploading animal video, which you are not going to even film by yourself. You don't need to video any animal. I'm going to teach you step by step how you are going to get these videos for free and upload them. Put your voiceover, put whatever you want to put. By the end of this January we're about entering now, you will start cashing out online. Stick around on this video. Let me show you step by step how you are going to achieve this. You are using videos that are already trending, videos that have millions and thousands of views already. That is what you are going to use. I'm only going to guide you on how you are going to do that and use it to make money. Have you subscribed to my channel? Wow, that is not too good. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and even share it so that other people will benefit what you are going to benefit from this video today. You are in Slick Digitals. Let's dive right into it. Let me show you everything exact. Just come with me. Let me show you something on my laptop. Let's go through it together inside YouTube. Let me show you what I mean. So once you come to YouTube, once you get to YouTube, type in animal videos. Look at this video now. It said funny pets. Funny pets. Are you seeing this video? Funny pets of 2024. Top videos of the year. Are you seeing the views? 2.5 million views. When was it created? 3 weeks. Just 3 weeks. 3 weeks ago. That's when this video was created. The people that featured this video is not the person that posted this video. Let me show you why I'm saying so. Click on the video. Over 1 hour. This video is 1 hour 30 minutes. You can use such video. If you can gather this kind of video, you can use it to restream. That's how you're going to get your full watch hour. Look at it. Look at it. This video has 2.5 million views in 3 weeks. Just 3 weeks. And look at the likes, and look at the like and the share. Look at the subscribers. 8.35 million views. Look at why I said this video is not the people that filmed all these animals that put it on YouTube like this. Look at the reason. Watch these videos now. They are clips of animal videos. Are you seeing it? It's different clips of animal funny videos. They just gather them from different places, edit them. That is all, and they upload it to YouTube. You know what it means for you to get 2.5 million views in one video? My darling, if you can get this kind of views in one video in 3 weeks, in just 3 weeks, meaning if this video can be in YouTube here like 2 months, 3 months, it will be making millions of dollars. I'm telling you. So are you seeing it? Sure, you are watching the videos, different clips of videos.
So what you have to do now is come to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, if you are using iPhone, go to your Apple Store and download this Quechua app. The Quechua app is just like YouTube, and you know they banned YouTube in China. So China people now use this Quechua app, as their own YouTube. So every content here cannot get flagged in YouTube unless somebody have collected that content and from there and upload it here in YouTube. So what do? That's why you need to edit these videos, add your own uniqueness in it. So you have to edit it well, then you have to combine the videos, because you never knew there have billions of people in the world doing content. 1 or 2 persons might have come to collect the same video you are collecting. That is why these people are combining it, and it's a very nice idea. I love it. To be honest with you, I'm going to start this niche again. I already have YouTube channel that I open. I will start posting that video, and in next 2 weeks I will give you guys my own report on what I have gotten or the level I am in posting this animals video. It's not only animal video that you can do with this app. You can go into any other niche you want. Even if it's motivational niche, you will just go there, get the videos of someone talking with the movements of the mouth and the reactions. You will now pick it up from there and edit the video, put voice and reactions. In content creation, you have to do some things on your own.
You can do this kind of niche, and before you know it, you start making good money. If you are not I don't know how to express this. There are things you cannot express. You can't explain it until you experience it. If you have not cashed out on YouTube before, the first day I cashed out $100, it was like they have given me the whole world. I was very happy. It's true, it's stressful, but the pay is good. When you get the money, you don't remember all the. It's just like a childbirth. Once you see your baby, you forgot what you passed through. Content, that is just the picture. I've experienced it too, so that's why I'm telling you. It's not just only animal that you can get their videos through this website. This website is a Chinese website. Chinese is banned in YouTube, so they have their own website like YouTube, like, you know, that is equivalent like YouTube, but it's not YouTube. So anything posted there, all you have to do is go and copy it, edit it, make it unique in your own way. You can remove the voice there, because they will be speaking. Most of the videos there are not English. How I do it, this thing I'm teaching you now, I am doing it. I'm not just telling you cook and do story, but my own niche is health niche. All this recipe, fruits recipe and all that, how your skin can glow by just taking fruits. That is what I'm doing. So if you come to this, I come to this website, I gather videos of fruits, people eating the fruits, even most of the time the procedure, how to do it, how to prepare it. All I need is just download the video and go to CapCut. Most of the time I will put voice because I don't want to use that their language. What do? I
come to my browser, okay, and type in Google Translate, and it will come out like this. So you now write the kind of video you want it to translate for you. I just wrote animal videos. You come to this side, the other side of it, choose Chinese traditional, okay, select it. It's going to translate it from English to China traditional. So this is it, funny animals. So that's what it means. You now copy it and come to this Sheshua app and paste it on the search engine, okay, paste it on search. This is it, and click on search. So this is what is going to bring out the first link. You click on it. this is how it's opened up for me. So based on what you are searching for, look at, because we searched animal funny videos, so they bring plenty of animal funny videos for us. So with the one you like, what do? Up here you will see a sign there, click on it, you start downloading. Are you seeing the one I'm downloading right now? Very easy. Look at this video, look at the kind of engagement it has. Look at the like, look at the star, they gave something like star. Look at the comments, none is below millions. Okay, so that's how you are going to download your own. You download as many as you want based on what you want to achieve, based on how many minutes video you want to make. So it is time for us to edit. So you come to your CapCut. What do you do when you get to CapCut? Click on add project. What I do first is I give my video background. So I will go to library in this CapCut and choose any of this background. Most of them are free. There are ones that have video and the ones that are just image. I choose, okay, let me just choose this one. Let's work with it. We now change it to the ratio you want. I want to use ratio for YouTube, so I pick the ratio and then adjust it with my hand. Are you seeing it? It has fit the ratio. Then I will now go back to overlay and click on overlay, go and import the video I want to edit. It will now stay on that image background as if it now serving as a landing page for the video. Okay, all these small things is what's going to make your video. They will not dictate is that the video is not originally yours. Okay, all this editing is that uniqueness I told you that you should add to your videos. So make sure you split your videos, add animation, add transitions. Okay, those are all the settings, all the editings that will add uniqueness to your video, all those transition. Then you will now upgrade the color, do the color grading. If you don't know how to do details on how to do all these things, tell me in the comment section. Angela, teach me how to edit this video properly, because I don't want this video to be too long like this. So this is how you are going to be combining this video, okay? And based on how many video you downloaded, 3, 4, 5, no matter how many videos you downloaded, this is how we're going to add all of them together, all right, and make it a beautiful. Once you upgrade the color, you not even believe it's an old video. All right, I wish you well. As you do this with all your heart, you will succeed. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on the comment section. What do you think about this video? Are you going to give it a trial? Tell me what you think, what you feel about this video. All right, if you also need any other assistance based on editing or any other tips or whatever you feel I should enlighten you the more about this kind of niche or any other niche, let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you in my next video. I am really editing mine. I'm really editing mine and it's going to be wow.